Hello, my name is Alex Breckenridge, and I am the Senior Agronomist at GroGuru. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to our software solution, GroGuru InSites. Enter the username and password and hit Login. What populates is our landing page. You can see on the right-hand side, we have pins on a map that correlate to probe placement. Hover over a pin to get more information about the specific site. On the left-hand side, we have all the individual sites listed. In the top left-hand corner, we have our weather forecast supplied by DTN. Included in the forecast is temperature, wind direction, wind speed, precipitation amounts, precipitation probabilities, and ETO. We can organize the list via the pin colors, which coordinate to field health in terms of soil moisture, or alphabetically. Coming over to a site, we can get more information about it by clicking the drop-down. This gives us a brief overview of the site details. Up at the top, starting with the pin color, we can see it's green. Our fuel gauge gives us an indication or a snapshot of where we are in terms of field health and soil moisture at this exact time. Vertical indicators let us know how close we are to the next management zone. The gray pin at the bottom coordinates to where soil moisture was 24 hours ago. On the left-hand side, we have a weather forecast and crop predicted use from DTN. Forecasted out is standard at 1, 3, and 9 days. Growth stage, provided by DTN as well, is also listed. We also capture the last wetting event. Crop image is also supplied by DTN, and it coordinates to crop stage. On the left-hand side, we get an image of the specific sensor. On the right-hand side, we detailed the depth of each individual sensor on the black bar. Blue shading coordinates to the depth of the last moisture reading from an irrigation or rainfall event and how far that reading percolated down throughout the soil profile. We also display individual fuel gauges that give insight into each individual soil profile health in terms of soil moisture. Within the background, we also detail where the roots are from automated technology, where they are automatically detected. We can see in the bottom left-hand corner that this site was last updated and what time, along with the planting date. To get to a graph, simply click on the colored icon. This will populate you to the summary profile.